Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's begin with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required and I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And then make sure that you've got your Google account added to the device. Without it, you will not be able to follow all of my steps. And if you wish, you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. Or you can do it on your own just after entering the Play Store. Alright, so let me enter it, and now we have to tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is your account. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. So here we've got updates available. Let's tap on them, and as you can see in my case, I've got 9 updates pending. So basically all you have to do is to mark those apps which you'd like to update. I will choose those and then tap on update. Of course, if you wish, you can mark all of them. Tap on update icon, and now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.